Hi everyone, here is given that y equal to x to the power sin x plus sin to the power cos x, and we have to find the value of dy by dx. So let's start. Let u equal to x to the power sin x and v equal to sin x to the power cos x. So y becomes u plus v. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So we have to find the value of du by dx and dv by dx. After that, we plug in the value of here in this equation. Let equation 1. So we get the value of dy by dx. So let's start by solving du by dx. So here is u equal to x to the power sin x. Now taking log on both sides, so this becomes log y, log u, sorry, and log x to the power sin x. Therefore, log u equal to this power comes here, so this becomes sin x log x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, so d by dx log u d by dx sin x log x. Now differentiation of log u is 1 by u and du by dx equal to, here we use uv rule, so sin x into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of sin x, 1 by u du by dx equal to sin x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus log x, and differentiation of sin x is cos x. Now simplifying both sides, so we get du by dx equal to u sin x divided by x plus log x into cos x. Now substitute the value of u, so we get the value of du by dx, so du by dx equal to x sin x divided by x plus log x into cos x. So we get the value of du by dx. Now we have to find the value of dv by dx. So let's start. So what is v? So here v is sin to the power cos x. Now b is sin x to the power cos x. Now taking log on both sides, so this becomes log b log sin x cos x log v equal to cos x log sin x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, so this becomes d by dx of log v equal to d by dx of cos x into log sin x. Now here is 1 by v into dv by dx equal to cos x into d by dx of log sin x plus log sin x into d by dx of cos x. Now 1 by v into dv by dx equal to cos x into differentiation of log sin x is 1 by sin x and derivative of sin x is cos x plus log sin x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So here 1 by v dy by dx cos x by sin x can be written as cot x into cos x minus sin x into log sin x. Now dv by dx equal to v cot x into cos x minus sin x into log sin x. Now let's plug in the value of y. So sin x to the power cos x cot x into cos x minus sin x into log sin x dv by dx. So we get the value of du by dx and dv by dx. Now just plug in the value of these. Now just plug in the value of these. Now just plug in the value of du by dx and dv by dx in equation 1. So we get the value of dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Now plug in the value of 1 by 1. So du by dx is x to the power sin x plus log cos x. X to the power sin x divided by x plus log sin x. Once again log x into cos x. So sorry, here is log x into cos x plus sin to the power sin x to the power cos x cot x into cos x minus sin x into log sin x. So this is the derivative of the given function. So this is the required answer.